Nice. Alright, enough of the pleasantries. Let's get right into it. Boom. What's going on? Mercedes Benz restoration. I know I got a jacket on in Florida. It gets warm enough. It's about 60 degrees right now, but still, it was like 55. And then when it got, that's what I think it's 55 right now. And it's a little chilly when the wind blows. So, got a little jacket on today. But let me get right into it. It's a different phone, so I don't even know how to switch it over. If y'all didn't know, I broke my phone. I dropped it, and now I got this. And it only got that feature where you could just switch it around. But I gotta turn it around like this. But anyways, today is the day I'm getting rid of the blue bumper. I don't know if I can see that good, but I've been rocking the blue bumper on the CLK for like months. It's an AMG bumper, so definitely good. But what I was doing now was sanding it, because you gotta sand it. I'm gonna put a video up straight sanding. They ain't gonna be talking about straight sanding. So when you sand it, wet or dry, well, I don't know if I like the camera like this, but that P1000, 1500, you need that block. And everything that you're gonna paint, you need to get off. So I'm painting this, so I'm gonna get that off. I already got one that's open. And then with the paint, make sure you get the official paint. I'm about to do a video, how do you know your paint code. So I'm about to end this after I'll show you this. And then the next one I'm gonna make is how you know your paint code. Because you need to know your paint code. My paint code right now is, if you want a brilliant silver Mercedes, it's 744. But anyways, I gotta take this off too as well. Luckily, I got Phillips. Got a Phillips in my pocket, and I'm going to take those screws under there, get that blue thing off, so we can get that painted. All right, that's it. So all day I'm gonna be uploading videos today, tomorrow. Basically a before and after. So you could get, this is the last before, man. That's an AMG bumper too, baby. Like, on that part, I was gonna stick to the restoration. I was gonna stick to just everything factory parts, but I already told y'all in another video. Nah, we threw that out the window. We doing whatever parts I like, and I love this bumper. So it's like, and my other bumper was a little damaged, so I got rid of it. Anyways, all right, y'all. Peace.